Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a bit of reality showed up today with the pullback. Now, when I say that, I don't mean that the price crashed or anything like that. I would still call this a pullback. I would not consider it a reversal. I think reversal, of course, this could turn into a reversal. I'm not saying that, but as things stand right now, in my personal opinion, you still got to just classify this as a pullback because you got to keep things in perspective. Not that long ago, this thing was down below 50 cents, and now it's still up well over $1. So, yeah, it's not nearly as high as it was on Wednesday, but there's a big difference between a pullback and a reversal, and in my opinion, I would still call this a reversal, or excuse me, a pullback. But that does bring about the question, okay, well, at what point would you start to call it a reversal? And to me, that level is down here around the $1.50 mark. And $1.50 is important because that's basically about 50%, give or take, of this move here. So if the price were to come down here and then break down below it, all of a sudden, what would you have? You would start to have the price entering back inside of that territory where it already was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is, why I would say that $1.50 mark starts to make a little bit more sense in terms of, okay, let's now start to maybe question if this is a reversal. But in my opinion right now, this is just a pullback. Yeah, sure, it's a bigger pullback, but still just a pullback where the price could come down here to that area, bounce off, and then if you think about things from the bigger picture point of view, what would you still have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, and if you envision those as stair steps, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So that's why the $1.50 mark to me stands out quite a bit. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, yeah, you still have the $3 mark, but in more the near term, the key level that stands out now is going to be right there at $2.25. So near term, let's see if the price can at least get back above $2.25. And if it can do that, then it starts to make a little bit more sense to start to talk about the $3 mark. But until the price can prove itself by getting above $2.25, in my opinion, talking $3, a little too premature, but we'll see what this one has to offer next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.